Hello YouTube family, I hope you all are doing well today. We are back with another video as promised. This is the custom leathercraft tool bag tour. This is my junkyard grab and go bag if I need to go work on a car that's away from my car and it's a little bit of a walk. I'll grab this first, go with. First off, on this side, 6-inch vice grip water pump pliers, an 8-inch pair of vice grip water pump pliers. In this little tray, I don't have much in it. I just have a little flat screwdriver and a pick. In this zippered part, I have a stubby wrench set. It actually has a full size 8 and a full size 10 and 9. So the 8, 9, and 10 are full size, but then 10 through 15 I have stubby wrenches. These are just cheap ones. I think they were Grip brand or something. It works for in here. I have standard and metric Tecton Allen wrenches. Then we'll flip it around. On this side we have my Mac Tools slip joint pliers, Mac Tools linesman pliers, Mac Tools channel locks, other pair of Mac channel locks. I have a pair of Quinn needle nose, set of Williams side cutters, and then vice grip bent needle nose. And on the inside, we have Tecton PH2, Tecton 6-in-1 star driver. So it has 6 different size stars, tiny or a stubby adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver that I broke the other day, gear wrench, American sockets, mid-depth up to 7/8, mid-length gear wrench, metric sockets. I actually cut the rails that way it fits in the bag better. Again, my 1/4-inch sockets ain't in here, but normally are. 1/4-inch driver handle, Craftsman, panel trim tool, channel lock 3/8 drive ratchet, other Tecton 6-in-1 with star bits, Tecton flat blade, regular Tecton 6-in-1 with Phillips and flat, performance tool, long flex head ratchet, Craftsman screwdriver pry bar, gear wrench punch, mini pry bar, Pittsburgh 3/8 drive stubby flex head ratchet, channel lock 6-inch extension, Craftsman 3-inch, and a no-name 3-inch. And on this side we have my Master Mechanic 8-inch adjustable and my Blue Point 6-inch adjustable. So that completes the tool bag tour. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys all have a great day.